I believe in praying something into reality. And I believe in working about something that I wish for until it is better. When we started discussing about this union, I had asked my husband to be then what he would want to see after our wedding, like his first wish. And he told me something, and I asked him his preferences and all of that. We discussed about it, but he never knew that I was working on something. So today I am presenting that to him.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gracious God. Whoa.
So this
Wow.
is something that will metamorphose into a book. He loves writing, and he writes like I have not seen. He writes deep, well-researched, mental health oriented African books. And there was this story he wrote with a woman, a powerful, magical woman in the African context as his protagonist. And I fell in love with this book. He kept telling me, when will you read my book? When will you read my book? But he never knew I had read it the first time he sent me the manuscript. So I'm going to lead him to the actual copies of the book.
Are you kidding me? You got it published? My goodness, you're making me emotional, baby. You're making me emotional. We just read the manuscript.
Perfect.
Yeah. Are you serious?
So,
Wow.
I present to you
Wow.
the very first.
We just found an editor.
So,
Woo!
we worked on it. We got
Oh,
editors.
Are you serious?
So they work because you can't edit
Oh my
a book
goodness.
without the author. So
I'm
we
trying not to
worked
cry.
on it. It took months
Wow.
and months of a lot of coordination. And everybody working on
my
it, including my
goodness.
friend Ikwo, who is one of the top writers in Nigeria, knew about it, except for him. Our little
you-
girl knew
you're
about
a
it this
magical
morning. So, this is the
Whoa.
very first copies of Sakabula, an African novel. It's a big book, but you would
Are you serious?
enjoy reading it. Published by one of the top publishers in Nigeria. It was shipped to me and it arrived yesterday. All the
I'm
coordination.
surprised. I'm surprised.
So,
Wow.
before you leave, please,
Oh goodness.
everybody here is going to have a copy of Sakabula.
Wow.
And we are so lucky to have the author here who would sit right here for his book signing, his very first book signing. And this is bringing a dream to reality. So we were thinking about after the wedding, we start working on publishers and all of that. But why do we wait when we can just
have been
bring
talking
it?
about it.
He'll find a wife signed with
So here.
Absolutely. Oh my goodness. I'm not an emotional type, but this got me. This got me. We have been working on this manuscript.
You can cry, it's okay.
I'm trying not to. I'm trying not to. She is reaching out to all the editors she knows in Nigeria and here in the US. So we have been reading this, proofreading it, sitting down. There was a time she was supposed to go back to New York. And a few hours before she left, we were sitting reading the manuscript of this book. We're reading it, not knowing that this has gone to the print. That is what they say, when you find a powerful woman, you have found it all.
Yes.
And I'm one of the luckiest men on this planet. One of the luckiest. We're expecting this to be out maybe next year or so, maybe 2 years. And she just get it done. You know? I'm proud of you and I love you. I love you. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. I appreciate you. And welcome to my heart. Welcome to my love.
You may kiss the bride.
Give me a kiss now. Thank you. Thank you. Please help me appreciate this wonderful, powerful, magnificent woman. Wow.